Hello everyone, I'm very excited to introduce a new activity that we want to do in order to make answer writing more interesting for history optional. So we are trying to gamify the activity. It is going to be a group activity. We are going to be in a classroom. Offline activity होने वाला है and what we are going to do is that आप लोग होंगे, मैं होऊंगा. We are going to divide you guys into groups and assign each of these groups a set of questions and then you are collectively going to brainstorm कि इसमें करेक्ट टोन क्या है, करेक्ट डिमांड क्या है, किस नोट पे कंक्लूड करना है, व्हाट नोट शुड बी स्ट्रक इन द इंट्रोडक्शन, व्हाट आर द डायमेंशंस दैट यू शुड हाईलाइट इन द मेन बॉडी ऑफ योर आंसर. अपने मेन बॉडी को कैसे अरेंज करना है, क्या करेक्ट ऑर्डर होना चाहिए, राइट? एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू रिवील how close were you to the mark or how far away you were to the mark, right? In order to make the activity even more interesting, we are planning to give some prizes, some awards as a reward for you for those who perform exceptionally well. So please register using the link given below in the description and join us to level up your preparation in a gamified manner. Thank you.